I am so excited, guys. You've probably guessed by the title of today's video, we are going to Europe. More specifically, we are going to Paris. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am back with a prep and pack with me for Europe. More specifically, we are going to be going to Paris. I cannot believe I'm saying this. This generally feels so unreal. I booked my trip earlier on this week, and ever since then, I've been kind of teasing it across my socials. This is actually my first time announcing it here on YouTube. I'm going to bring you guys along with me while I get everything in order, organizing, packing, telling you guys a bit about how I've done this trip on a budget. So with that out of the way, let's get into the video. Grocery haul. First up, we have some fresh raspberries. These look so good. We also have some strawberries. I got 1 avocado. I also got 3 bananas. Bought some fresh lettuce because we're going to make a salad in this video. Some free-range eggs. I love hummus. It's my favorite thing ever. A new carton of oat milk. Loaf of fresh bread. That is everything in my grocery haul. Now I'm going to put everything away. So I've just finished doing my laundry and like tidying up my entire room. Ignore the state of me right now. I look tragic. When I was in Cyprus, I tried out this and my sister has one, and it's basically a scalp massager, but when you're in the shower and when you're doing your shampoo, overall so much more cleaner. It doesn't get as greasy as fast. It removes dead skin cells, itchy dandruff, flaky skin, and excess product buildup. So when I've been using this, I guess that's what it's done. It's removed any buildup that you don't even realize that you have. I noticed when I wash my hair with this that my hair just feels cleaner. I bought one from Primark the other day. It's literally £1.50, so if you have like a Primark near you, I really recommend buying one. I'm gonna go take a shower. I feel pretty. I've literally been a bed gremlin for this past week. Obviously, as you guys know from like watching this video so far, I decided to have like a huge reset today because past week I've been like really sick. I've had a really horrible like chest, bad cold, and I've literally been in my bed since Sunday, and today is Friday. So this video was so needed, and just to get everything back going again. I'm going to Europe, but I'm like so excited to be going. This was needed to get everything in order for that trip. Traveling motivates me, so I guess that's what this video is. I'm gonna go make some food in a little bit. We're gonna make a Caesar salad. I've also got lots of vegetables, so I want to make something like that. We're gonna go put the food in the oven. For the salad, baby spinach, lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes. I bought the Nando's chicken Caesar sauce from Tesco's off the scale. It is so good, and you know what? It is so good that my sister ate the whole thing because I don't know where it's gone. But yeah, so I've got this one, and I'm just gonna put some of this on my salad. The chicken takes at least 25 minutes. I will come in 5 minutes before, prep the salad stuff. Obviously, you guys guys know me, I went to Primark to get some bits for traveling and just make it all a lot more organized and easier. I want to have like all my products obviously in the right sizes so nothing gets confiscated. I don't have to throw anything away because that's happened before and it's just been really tragic. Looking cute and aesthetic as well. I think I'm gonna bring this with me to put like laundry and stuff in once I'm done wearing stuff. Travel bottle set, and I'm gonna use this to put my cleanser, makeup remover in because I don't actually have any smaller bottles and my makeup remover is huge and I know that is not gonna be able to get through security. Like, there's no way. Little stickers to put on it to like label it, which I might do, to be honest. A bag to put toiletries, my bottles in to leak proof everything. Also, this is super spacious and I thought packing wise, as I'm going to be bringing a really small suitcase, I thought this would be the best way to transport everything. I've just been working with Anna Louisa. These are really good to put your jewelry in when traveling. That's what I'm going to do this trip. I'm going to put all my jewelry in these little bags. Got some socks because I don't know where my socks go. They end up somewhere. They end up in another country for all I know. Like, I just lose my socks all the time. Black headband. This was only £3 and I think it's very Parisian, very chic. Where I want to plan my outfits, I think this is definitely gonna go. You guys are gonna freak when you see this. This is so cute. I'm sorry, what? This is so Parisian. I love it. Little rose on the neck, and I've really been eyeing this style for a while. Easily wear this with like a skirt, jeans. So elegant. That is just some stuff that I bought for the trip. I know I've got my nails done in this clip, but I did go yesterday to go get my nails done and I really wanted to get some very cute little Valentine themed nails. I'm gonna cue the clip now so you guys can see me going to go get my nails done. They turned out super cute. I am literally obsessed. These are adorable. Had them last year and I just love them so much. I just didn't want to change them. I'm gonna get everything ready. I'm gonna put my products in their bottles and start packing for Paris. I cannot believe this. This is so exciting. Experiences this trip and places I want to go, places I want to eat and things. I really want to prioritize experiences. I would rather spend like the 20 euros going to the Louvre or a museum that I'm interested in, or the metro, getting around, seeing things, activities. Content wise, I definitely want to film more as I'm going instead of it being only when I sat down. In Amsterdam, I was super nervous to film in public and it was all super overwhelming as well. I've been watching loads of Paris vlogs and I think breaking the barrier, being camera shy, everyone is filming, everyone is taking their content. Really, I just feel like I'm ready to vlog and I'm not even there yet.